How to find people settings on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find people settings on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and here just click this one in the top corner and then just go down and here you will find people. Click on it, and if you want to turn on sync contact, just click here and click turn on, and that's it. That's how to find people settings on Messenger Lite, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.